The Michigan Department of Transportation is planning a 3-year project to rebuild I-94 from west of the interchange with I-94 Business Loop, known locally as Red Arrow Highway, to Britton Avenue. This project is funded with Rebuilding Michigan bond funds and combines several projects for efficiency and cost savings. This section of I-94 is a 6-lane divided freeway with an annual average daily traffic volume of 63,000 vehicles. This project involves rebuilding approximately 11 miles of freeway, replacing 4 bridges, and improving 7 additional bridges. The total investment for this project is estimated to be more than $153 million. Maintenance work to prepare for the main project will occur in 2022, while major work activities are expected to begin in 2023 and conclude in 2024. The project will start just west of Britton Avenue and will occur at the Napier Avenue and Pipestone Road interchanges, as well as M139 and M63, or Niles Avenue. Major work also will occur at the I-94 Business Loop interchange and finish at Putz Road. Work on I-94 will replace the aging pavement with new asphalt. There also will be improvements to drainage, and all signs and guardrail will be replaced. In addition, an auxiliary lane will be added on eastbound I-94, connecting the Pipestone Road and Napier Avenue interchanges. All ramps at the I-94 Business Loop, M63, and Pipestone Road interchanges will be rebuilt. The ramps at the M139 and Napier Avenue interchanges will be repaved. Minor repairs will be made to the Carpool Lot on M139, while the Carpool Lot at I-94 Business Loop will be resurfaced and expanded to accommodate more vehicles. Several bridges along the corridor will be worked on during this project. The I-94 bridges over Pipestone Road and I-94 Business Loop will be rebuilt. The I-94 bridges over Lincoln Avenue and the CSX Railroad and the St. Joseph River will be repaired, as will the Washington Avenue bridges over I-94. Additionally, a large culvert carrying the Yorstoffer drain located near Pipestone Road will be replaced. This project includes major interchange work. All the ramps at the Pipestone Road interchange will be rebuilt, and the westbound off-ramp will be realigned to improve traffic flow at the Pipestone Road Mull Drive intersection. On eastbound I-94, a continuous weave merge lane, also called an auxiliary lane, will be added to connect the Pipestone Road on-ramp to the Napier Road off-ramp. The I-94 bridges over Pipestone Road will be replaced, as well as the culvert carrying the Yorstoffer drain under I-94 just to the east of Pipestone Road. Under the bridges, Pipestone Road will be rebuilt and sidewalks will be added through the interchange area. All the ramps at the M63 or Niles Avenue interchange will be rebuilt. A new ramp will be added to carry northbound M63 traffic to eastbound I-94, eliminating the need for northbound M63 traffic to make a left turn onto the existing loop ramp. All the ramps will be rebuilt at the interchange with I-94 Business Loop, also called Red Arrow Highway. The intersection of the eastbound I-94 ramp to southbound Red Arrow Highway will be realigned to improve sight distance for right-turning traffic. At the eastbound on-ramp, a splitter island will be added to separate northbound Red Arrow Highway traffic continuing north from the traffic turning onto the eastbound ramp. This improvement should make it easier for southbound Red Arrow Highway traffic to find a gap turning onto the eastbound ramp. The I-94 bridges over Red Arrow Highway will be rebuilt. Additional improvements include adding sidewalk along the west side of Red Arrow Highway from West Marquette Woods Road to St. Joseph Avenue, and repaving and expanding the Carpool Lot in the northwest quadrant.